You won't believe that 10% of the population worldwide is affected by chronic kidney disease, and millions of them die each year. Your kidneys filter about 200 liters of blood every single day, keeping your body healthy. But what if I told you that some of your everyday habits could be secretly harming your kidneys without you even knowing it? Welcome to Nutrizin. This video is based on thorough research, scientifically proven methods, and expert consultation with a certified nutritionist. It is intended for educational purposes only. Today, we're uncovering 11 daily habits that could be slowly ruining your kidney health. Habit number 1, not drinking enough water. Let's start with one of the most common habits, not drinking enough water. Your kidneys need water to function properly. When you don't drink enough, your kidneys struggle to filter toxins out of your blood. This can lead to kidney stones and even long-term damage. Make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day, aiming for at least 8 glasses of water. Habit number 2, consuming too much salt. Do you love adding extra salt to your meals? While salt adds flavor, too much of it can be harmful. Excessive salt intake forces your kidneys to work harder to remove it from your blood. Over time, this can lead to high blood pressure and kidney damage. Try to limit your salt intake and opt for herbs and spices to flavor your food instead. Habit number 3, holding in your urine. How often do you hold in your urine because you're too busy or far from a restroom? This habit can be dangerous. Holding in urine increases pressure on your kidneys, which can lead to infections and other serious issues. Always listen to your body and use the restroom as soon as you feel the urge. Habit number 4, overusing painkillers. Reaching for painkillers to manage headaches or muscle pain might seem harmless, but overusing them can take a toll on your kidneys. Non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs like ibuprofen, can reduce blood flow to the kidneys, causing damage over time. Use painkillers only when necessary, and consult your doctor for safer alternatives if you need them frequently. Habit number 5, eating too much processed food. Processed foods are convenient, but they're often loaded with unhealthy fats, sugars, and preservatives. These can contribute to kidney strain and damage. Eating a diet rich in fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains is better for your kidneys and overall health. Try to minimize processed foods in your diet as much as possible. Habit number 6, ignoring high blood pressure. High blood pressure is a silent killer, and it's one of the leading causes of kidney disease. When your blood pressure is too high, it damages the blood vessels in your kidneys, making it harder for them to filter waste from your blood. Regularly monitor your blood pressure and follow your doctor's advice to keep it under control. Habit number 7, not getting enough sleep. Sleep is essential for your body to repair itself, and your kidneys are no exception. Chronic sleep deprivation can disrupt kidney function and increase the risk of kidney disease. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep every night to give your kidneys the rest they need. Habit number 8, drinking too much alcohol. Alcohol is another common culprit when it comes to kidney damage. Excessive drinking can lead to dehydration and high blood pressure, both of which harm your kidneys. If you choose to drink, do so in moderation. 1 drink a day for women and 2 for men. Habit number 9, eating too much red meat. Red meat is a good source of protein, but consuming too much can be tough on your kidneys. High amounts of protein increase the workload on your kidneys, potentially leading to damage over time. Consider adding more plant-based proteins like beans and lentils to your diet. Habit number 10, smoking. We all know smoking is bad for your lungs, but did you know it's also harmful to your kidneys? Smoking reduces blood flow to your kidneys and can accelerate kidney disease. Quitting smoking is one of the best things you can do for your overall health, including your kidneys. Habit number 11, not managing diabetes properly. If you have diabetes, managing your blood sugar levels is crucial for protecting your kidneys. High blood sugar can damage the blood vessels in your kidneys, leading to kidney disease. Follow your doctor's recommendations for managing diabetes to keep your kidneys healthy. Now that you know these 11 habits that could be secretly harming your kidney health, it's time to take action. Small changes in your daily routine can make a big difference in keeping your kidneys healthy and strong. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and subscribe. It fuels our passion to create more helpful content just for you. Thank you for being a part of our journey.